Alright, we're playing another one. This is like one from Crazy Games, Halloween, whatever chat. Alright. Oh my god. Like, hey, bro, I'm doomed to keep always saying chat. Like, alright. So I'm playing this game. Happy Halloween. You already know. I'm working on another video for this, for my other channel, chat. Not, bro. Like, this, bro, like, I don't know why I'm playing this. It just looks fun. Like, look, if I can get them, bro, I'm the last time. Like, yeah, that's nice. Like, overall, it's like, pretty great for the Halloween season.